In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remap due dates and reassign tasks in ClickUp. We'll start by getting into your account, then we'll enable a built-in setting that automatically shifts sub-task dates when you change a parent task's due date. After that, we'll test it in your workspace so you can see it in action and understand how it affects your schedule. Open your browser and head to ClickUp's website. Click Login and sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, choose the workspace you want to work with so you land on your main views and lists. Next, go to the Apps area for your workspace. Depending on your layout and permissions, you may see apps in more than one place. Either path is fine as long as it opens the apps directory. In the search bar, type Remap Subtask Due Dates. Select the Remap Subtask Due Dates option when it appears. Enable it. Look for the setting that says Automatically Reschedule Subtasks by the same amount when you change the parent task's due date, and turn that on. Choose the space where you want this behavior to apply. This is important. The feature is enabled per space, so pick the one where your projects live. You may need admin or owner permissions to switch this on. If you don't see the toggle, check with your workspace admin. When you're done, close this tab or panel to return to your main view. Now let's confirm it works. Go to your Today view so you can quickly find a parent task with subtasks. Open the parent task's due date picker. When you're shifting a timeline, make sure you use the option to move dates. That tells ClickUp to adjust everything by the same number of days rather than setting brand new dates one by one. Choose the new date, for example, today, and apply the change. You should see the related subtasks automatically adjust to maintain the same spacing relative to the parent task. This preserves the cadence of your workflow. If a subtask was 2 days before the parent due date, it stays 2 days before after the shift. If your list doesn't refresh immediately, click back into Today to see the updated schedule. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. This feature is ideal when a project slips or accelerates, and you need to move everything consistently. If a subtask has its own assignee or dependencies, those remain intact. Only the dates move. And if you don't see changes, double-check that the app is enabled for the correct space and that you chose move dates when updating the parent task.